Hey guys, small update. I'll probably link this together with other videos, but basically, I bought two more sheets of X. Not the same stuff that I bought before, but this is the actual blue stuff that most people use. I bought this because it has the actual paping and insulation on it, so it won't get punctured as well as the styrofoam one because it has that protective coating. So remember, this is the base. I wanted a heavy base because it's going to be pretty thick, so I wanted one sheet complete. And then so I started cutting out stuff. I didn't cut out this side of the river because I don't want that ice bridge to be basically holding on that, even though it is 2 inches thick and pretty tough. I didn't want to risk it, so that's probably going to be one of the last things I do. I cut out the little, what's going to be like the ice pond on coming up, which will be interesting to see if I can do it well enough. But anyway, that's that. And then yeah, so I came over here, cut out what's going to be like the huge section of water. Little section that's not going to be water. That's going to be like just like a whole bunch of rocks, and then a section of water over there. So you can see how the depth is starting to get through, and I'm going to cut up the other boards, and we'll see how it goes. All right, bye. Okay guys, next part. Alright, so I took the one on top with the template, and what I'm going to do is I put the new foam board that I want to use to stack on top of this. This isn't actually going to be my top, which I made a mistake. I drew it last night because it would help me think, but the actual styrofoam, the Dow stuff, is going to be like the actual top layer. This is actually sturdier just because for the bottom. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace it. So just take my marker or whatever you want to use and trace the inside. All you want to do is basically get the general shape of the thing, because there's a lot of finishing work to do to take care of it. So you just want to make sure you get it all around, and I'm going to do that to all of these and then cut them out. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm done, and you can see the tracing came out pretty well. So that's what I'm going to cut out, and I just have that bridge part that I didn't trace because I told you earlier I didn't want to wanted to make it too flimsy to break at the last moment, because then I'd have to like glue it together, and that would just be problematic the whole time. Alright, because it could be breaking off the whole time. So, alright, problem evolved, or avoided, evolved, whatever, and yep, alright, time to cut. Again, just before I forget, a word of caution on these 4x8 sheets. You can see what they do is they have it scored, and can't remember what the length is, but it's in thirds basically, and you can see it's like scored here and scored here, and it's across the whole board, so you have to be careful not to break it, even though the foam is really strong. But just be careful when you're cutting, because this foam is a lot harder than the other stuff I was using. It will dull your blade and everything, but just keep in mind that you can't really just like pick it up, and then you got to keep it flat and then keep it steady when you're cutting. Alright, bye. Alright guys, I've done 2 sheets. Now you can see things aren't perfect, you know, it doesn't have to be, because later you're just gonna grade them and put like the boulders and stuff that you see in like the pictures. So all you want is the rough shapes right now, and that's that. I'm gonna do one more level, and then start working on what would be a lot harder stuff. And after I get done one level, I'll probably ask you guys a question about whether I should do another level or not. You guys can tell me. Anyway, bye. Alright guys, I'm done carving out the 3 sections that I wanted. I have your question: should I do another level or not? I'm thinking, now that I look at this, I mean, this is 6 total inches of height. I mean, that's pretty high on any game board. But basically, I want to show you like the scale of how deep it really is. This is a Carnifex. I guess that's so where you can see basically the idea is that you can actually eventually have like a true, so you can see how deep the things are, and then what I'm going to do is build it out and up a couple sections. So I just wanted to see, and then you're going to have a mountain, remember, that whole part. So let me know if you think I should add another level of depth or not. I'm thinking it's okay, but maybe another one will make it just a little bit more dramatic. Alright, and I'll add another one if I can't build the hills high enough as I want them. So anyway, later guys, bye.